one of Jennifer's ornamental plant stands. Actually, she hangs an LED lamp on that, but it broke off. This piece broke off. This would go into the ground, and this goes into the ground. So, you know what I'm going to do. I've got my TIG torch here and my welding machine behind me. You can hear it humming. And I am going to tack that. Added a little filler rod to build that up. Now I need to flip this over and get the other side. Now I can take it outside and put it back into service. I love having these tools around. What people throw away, I can repurpose and put back to use. Yep. That project's done.